Hello, class. My name is Kaylin Clausell, and this is my presentation on a couple of pieces that I really love. And here we go. Can I is my first song that I chose. It's by Kodak off of Lil Big Pac. And this was one of my favorite songs because it kind of showed me a different side of him. And the song, like, I really love the word choice of what he's talking about. It definitely sounds like his drums in the background of the song. Even when you're showing love, they still gonna wanna hate you. So, just kind of showing a different side of Kodak. If you actually listen to him, you'll know specifically what I'm talking about. He's so hardcore. So this is kind of like a softer side that we got to see from him. The beat is always the beat that catches my attention first. I really do pay attention to that. Not necessarily the instruments because I could care less, about what instruments are being played. I just like if it has a good beat, I'm probably gonna love the song, even if I don't like the artist. I love a good beat. So this was one of my favorite songs. This was released in 2016. So my next song is by Beyonce called Flawless. I'm pretty sure a lot of you have heard of it. Off of her album that was released in 2014, named after herself, Beyonce. One of my favorites because of the message that she was sending, especially when it comes to feminism. I am a woman, so I do feel as though I have received backlash for being a woman and being a strong woman at that. But the beat of this song definitely sounds like it's some type of piano or some type of keyboard or some type of violin plucking. I love this song. First of all, I love Beyonce anyway, so like this is probably one of my favorite songs off of this album. I kind of did this one because of the beat in the beginning. I kind of feel like those are the two instruments, either a keyboard or some type of violin plucking, something of that sort. That kind of catches your attention as soon as the song comes on. My next song is gospel. It's called Open My Heart by Yolanda Adams. This was released in 1999 off of her album Mountain High Valley Low. And this is one of my favorite songs because of the message as well. Just what she's trying to say is just open my heart up to God, and let him in, let him control things, and things will be okay. And just, I love I don't know if this is some type of like not like a OMG, not a guitar, but maybe a piano or some sort of a violin. I don't know if it's a violin, something with some strings, some sort of string instrument though. This is one of my favorite songs from her though. I really love it. Her voice, it just speaks volumes to me. She put so much thought and feeling into this as well. Next, we have another gospel song. It's called God in Me. And this is by Mary Mary. I think these are drums in the beginning. I just want to tell the truth, man. And this song is called God in Me. And of course, I hope you can understand it's the God in me. Everything that happens in life is because of Him. I am the way I am because of Him. I'm blessed because of Him. So, this is another song that just speaks volume to me. I definitely go off of a beat, but I love a song that has great content as far as the message and the wording that you're receiving from it. Because if you can't get anything from a song, it's just like, like, why are you listening to it? Most of the songs I listen to, feel like it's something within that song that I can relate to. And last but not least is called Black Queen by Young Dolph. And this was my favorite song. I really love him as a rapper. Like, he's one of my favorite rappers at that. This was released just last year, around September, around my birthday. The album is called Role Model. And this song,
baby, now smoking kush with my mom and dad on the yacht.
This song, his mom played the piano. His mom played the piano the entire time.
Yeah, I stay into it with that nigga, but this hustler shit come from my. Rich crap, baby, down smoking kush with my mom and dad on the yacht.
And she played the piano throughout the entire song, and it was just like you can feel the heartfelt message that he was trying to portray, just letting people know that his mother is a black queen, regardless of, we all make mistakes, we're people, but listening to the song and just listening to her play the piano, you can just feel the connection between them two, and I'm just, these are probably like my top five songs as far as like the beat, the message, everything within the song. Like, I love the entire process that they did to put this song together. And these are my top five choices for music, and I hope you guys enjoyed the preview. Thanks.